Hi, James with OneHourSmartHome.com, and today we're going to talk about the Ring Security System window and door sensors. I've got one right here. You can see the box. So the Ring Security System works with both window and door sensors, or contact sensors as these are called, and it works with motion sensors. There's a couple other devices that you can get that will work with the Ring Security System, but right out of the box, the two most important types of sensors and the two sensors you're going to use the most are the Ring contact sensors and the Ring motion sensors. So I'll explain a couple of things about these. I love the Ring Security System. It was super easy to set up, and it's one of the more economical security system options. How these sensors work is that you have two pieces. And inside here, this one's got a battery. If you ever need to replace a battery, you know that now. And this one has a magnet. There's also a little magnetic sensor in here. And when these are together, it can tell you that your security system, your door or window, is closed. As soon as your door is opened, this will pivot away and it will tell you that the door is open. Or if you have a window and you raise or lower the window, just like this, it will tell you that the window or door is open. Now, a couple things that you need to know about these. Once you have them armed, if this opens up, it's going to trigger the alarm, which is what you want it to do. In my testing of these sensors for 3 months, they have worked flawlessly. They always report correctly, and they always trigger the alarm almost instantaneously when I open a door when it's armed. So before going into your house, you want to disarm the system and then you'll be able to go in. Now, what's different between the door and window sensors and the motion sensors is when you have your Ring alarm system, there are 3 modes. There is home mode, away mode, and disarmed. In home mode, all of the window and door sensors are armed. That means that you're at home and you'd move around so you don't want to trigger the motion sensors. And that's where these things do a great job. So every night when I go to sleep, I make sure the alarm is armed, and that way if anyone tries to break in, opening up a window or a door, it's going to set off the alarm and alert me. But let me tell you, the security system is very loud. It's enough to probably scare away most intruders. Now, the motion sensors work a little bit differently, and you really only want to arm those when you are not at home. Because if you get up to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night or get a late night snack, and you have a motion sensor in that pathway, you'll set off the alarm and wake everybody up. So these are super easy to install. This window and door sensor from Ring, what I love about them is that they are at a price point where you can get a lot of them to cover all your windows and doors compared to other home security systems. And that really makes it more economical to put them on everything. I actually have one even on my garage door because I wanted to know if it is open or closed. And even when you don't have the security system activated in terms of armed, it will still tell you the status of when these open or up. And if you're used to that traditional beep beep, when somebody opens up a door, the system will still do that, just like older security systems. But if you want to disable it, you certainly can in the settings. So these are a great purchase. A great way to expand your security system is get more of these with the Ring Security Hub. We've got links to everything you need below, as well as we've got a review on our website, OneHourSmartHome.com. Just search Ring Security System, OneHourSmartHome.com on Google, and you'll be able to find it. So thank you for being here. We hope that you enjoyed that overview of the Ring Security System and how it will work in your home.